Hello guys, I'm speaking from Manish Borders Academy, and today I'm ready with another video. And in today's video I would like to discuss about conjunctions in English grammar. It is an important grammar topic for all the students and English learners. So first of all, let me tell you what is a conjunction. A word that is used for joining other words, phrase or sentences is called a conjunction. So जहाँ पर भी आपको ऐसा लगे कि दो sentences या phrases जुड़े हुए हैं किसी word से, वो conjunction कहे जाते हैं. Types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction. First of all, let me tell you about coordinating conjunctions. These conjunctions are also called coordinators. They connect two or more sentences. So ऐसे conjunctions जो दो वाक्यों को जोड़ते हैं और ना ही सिर्फ जोड़ते हैं बल्कि दो वाक्यों के बीच कोऑर्डिनेशन क्रिएट करते हैं, उनको कोऑर्डिनेटिंग conjunctions बोला जाता है. They connect words, phrases or sentences. They can join two verbs, nouns, adjectives, phrases. They also join two independent clauses. There are 7 types of coordinating conjunctions. Types of coordinating conjunctions: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. इसका एक इम्पॉर्टेंट एक्रोनिम है, आप लोग इसको यदि याद कर लें. Fanboys is an acronym to remember coordinating conjunctions. Now I have already given examples after the conjunction. For, I hate to waste a drop of water, for it is very precious. यहाँ पे for का जो यूज किया गया है वो because के सेंस में हुआ है. And my two favorite languages are English and French. Nor, Deepak refuses to eat eggs, nor will he touch the eggs. But I like rains, but I hate to go out while raining. Or, you can eat cake or sweets, yet I am allergic to dogs, yet I have 2 of them. So, I am a vegetarian, so I don't eat non-veg. तो इसके रटने का तरीका मैंने आपको बताया है. फैन बॉयज़ एक बहुत अच्छा तरीका है. आप फैन बॉयज़ लिखें अपनी कॉपी पर और उसी से ही आप कंजंक्शंस बना दें. और जैसा कि मैंने प्रीवियसली बोला है कि फॉर यहाँ पर कंजंक्शन के रूप में बिकॉज का उच्चारण, बिकॉज उसका मतलब निकलता है. तो ये आप जरूर याद रखें. बिकॉज फॉर प्रीपोजिशन के रूप में भी यूज होती है और फॉर कंजंक्शन के रूप में भी यूज होता है. सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस क्या हैं? सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस आर दोज कंजंक्शंस व्हिच कनेक्ट अ डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज to an independent clause. Subordinating conjunctions always show a cause and effect relationship between a subordinate clause and a main clause. These conjunctions connect main sentence to other incomplete sentences. जैसा कि आपको पता है कि conjunctions दो clauses को आपस में जोड़ता है. मेन क्लॉज हम जानते हैं जिसमें सब्जेक्ट वर्ब ऑब्जेक्ट होता है, इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज कहते हैं. तो ऐसा क्लॉज जो ऐसा कंजंक्शन जो इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉज को किसी सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज के साथ जोड़ दे, एक इनकम्प्लीट सेंटेंस के साथ जोड़ दे, उसको हम सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस कहते हैं. सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस: आफ्टर, ऑल्दो, एज, because, before, even if, even though, if, in order to, once, provided that, rather than, since, so that, than, though, unless, until, when, whenever, whereas, wherever, whether, while, why. So I have taken few examples of subordinating conjunctions. As she blew off the candle, her hair caught fire. So here I have given an example of subordinating conjunction. I can teach English provided that you are ready to learn. If you work hard, you will pass. Unless you join a good institute, you can't learn English. Though he is poor, yet he is honest. Once you make a promise, stick to it. Mohit begins to sneeze whenever he opens the window. When the doorbell rang, my dog barked. I paid Sumit, whose garden design work was top class. So here you can see that one independent clause and the other dependent clauses are connected through subordinating conjunctions. Few examples of subordinating conjunctions. There are other examples as well. As soon as tiger came, he ran away. I'll teach you so that you could improve. Wait here till I come. Wait here for your friend until he comes. Whether you read or not, I'll teach. Since she is ill, she won't come to my institute. Whenever you find breathing problem, please consult a doctor. Now the third conjunction which I am talking about, that is correlative conjunctions. These conjunctions connect two balanced clauses, phrases or words. Correlative conjunctions are always used in pairs. These conjunctions are very important in English grammar. So ऐसे conjunctions जो pairs में use होते हैं competitive English में, कई बार आप लोग गलती करते हैं और conjunctions का pair बनता है, तो पहले उसको आप लोग जान लें. Types of correlative conjunctions: either or, both and, whether or, either or, neither nor, not only but also, not but, as. Such that, hardly, scarcely, barely, and after that when, as many, as, no sooner, than, rather, than. Now I have taken some examples of correlative conjunctions. Either he will come or go, neither she will write nor speak. Whether you study here or there, you will have to toil. Not only she is beautiful but also talented. Hardly had she bought a mobile when her father came. No sooner did he learn English than he got a good job. I have as many books as you have. I would rather studying than wasting my time. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, subscribe and share. Take care. Bye-bye.